Open up a new project. I've already imported my video and now I want to import a song. Go to Audio and choose a song that has a beat. So I'm going to go to the beat section and choose one that has a beat like this one, where it starts slow and then drops an obvious beat. Since this song starts off really slow, I'm going to cut off a little bit of the beginning, delete the left-hand side, and move the audio clip to the left. On the audio bar, you can see where the beat starts. So where the blue bars get bigger is where the beat starts. Put your cursor over it, and at the bottom, I want you to click Beats. Now you're just going to hit Add Beat, and it adds a yellow dot at the bottom. That's where your beat drops. Now with your cursor still on that yellow dot for the beat, we are going to add a video effect. Scroll over to Light Effects and choose Sunset 4. This will give a beautiful sunset appearance to the back of your video. I want to add a second video effect with a black flash as well to enhance this look. Search for black flash and choose that. Now trim down the black flash so it just shows in the very beginning of the transition. Now we're going to go back to our yellow dot where the beat dropped. We're going to split the video clip by clicking Edit and Split. On the right-hand side, we are going to slow it down to about 0.5. Let's see how it looks. Now I want to add a video effect to the first clip so it looks dark before the beat hits. Highlight the clip, click Filters, choose BW3 and increase it to the maximum strength. Let's see the final product.